Hi, I'm back with another Flox tip and trick. This is about activation modes. So I have a directory called modes within an environment, and this environment has one package named almonds. If you've ever played with almonds, it's basically ASCII vector graphics is kind of the best thing I could describe it as. And we'll run it and just kind of give you a quick feel of what it does. It does all sorts of stuff. You can change the speed, change the size, all kinds of things. It's really not that important what it does. The interesting thing is that it's written in Python. And so when this is active, of course, I have almonds on path for my Flox environment. But I also have Python because it's written in Python. And this is not always desired. Sometimes when you're working on a project and you git clone it, you want to have the entire closure and dependencies and all available, things like GCC or Python or Ruby or whatever the runtime is that the thing is built in. You want to be able to work on that. But other times you just want to be able to call an application and not have it pollute your environment. So you don't want this Python available. You want almonds to run on this Python because it was built with it, but you don't want to use this as your regular site-wide Python or system-wide Python. You want almonds to rely on this Python, but you don't want to use this for your applications or your day-to-day shell interactions. So another way you can activate is do a Flox activate-m, which stands for mode, and you can use the run mode. And so for here, we still have almonds on path, but when you look for Python, it's not there. And so this gives us everything we wanted with almonds, but without Python. So by default, what basically is happening under the hood when you activate is it's passing the developer mode, which is put everything that's in bin in all of the closures in your bin path. And if you just switch it to run, it's only the leaf node of the closure or only the top level of the closure. So in this case, just almonds. And if almonds requires 15 different packages underneath it, you'll only get what's in bin for that top level package. So that's a little bit on activation modes. Thanks.